My magic sarap. Magic. Magic. This is my magic. This is I like every time I eat pickle. I can, some of them very perfect. It's not turning. Egg. Egg. I have no more egg, people. No more egg. But to mix it, that one egg. Put the salt. No more. I will mix it first, this one. But I have here very special for me, for my husband, people. This is very good. This is very good for my husband. Good. My husband, people, he like it dry sometimes. Sometimes only. The book, people, is thick. Look at that stick. Maybe I put the I add butter. I forgot the butter. Maybe I add little bit butter. Only little bit, because I have the egg. Like that butter. Little bit butter. Little bit butter. Oh, it's too messy here, that table. And then small magic. Magic sarap. And then mix it, or ukay. Mix it and then ukay. Ukay in Bisaya. Ukay or in Tagalog. Halo-halo. Put the egg. Oh, egg. Reduce the fire. Maybe it's too much fire. Yeah. Halo-halo. Cooking. Halo-halo. Oh, it's not like that. Maybe fry the egg. No. I am not perfect cooking, people. Maybe it's not like that for cooking. Any mistake? Wrong cooking, people. I am supposed to fry the egg and then like oh, never mind. This is only food for me. It's not for the president. It's like lugaw, people. Look at that. It's like lugaw, my food. Cannot understand, huh? It's like lugaw. Ah, yes, it's cooked. It's cooked already. The egg is dry, but later the egg, people, fry first. Because I don't fry. I mistake. Wrong recipe. This is wrong recipe. I will reduce the fire. Okay, my cooking is reduced. Or my cooking is not perfect. Because I always cooking people, pinaksiw. Buwad. My sudan is buwad ginamot. Lugaw. This is lugaw. Lugaw style. Look, lugaw style. It's okay, people. It's okay. Don't worry. Be happy. When you cook the food, don't make it in your mind that you are excellent cooking. Actually, this is only my cooking style. I don't put it like a lot of ingredient on the egg and it's overcooked, people. It's overcooked. So it's enough, this one, people. Okay. Okay, people, thank you. Thank you for watching my cooking food. I think it's okay, people. It's like couscous. It's look like couscous, people. Look at that. The couscous is yellow. It's look like couscous. You see? It's okay. Okay. Never mind, people. This is mine and this is for my husband. So it's enough. I prepare it's enough food for me and for my husband. I think that is great for lunch. This is for lunch, people. So I will check that. Very hot, people. Very hot, very hot, very hot. Oi, don't pull down, kay. I will eat you. Don't pull down because I will eat you. Look at the wok, people. This is the wok of